Orgasm is a natural biological response of the human body. It is controlled by the brain, the nervous system, hormones, blood flow, and muscles. Although female and male orgasms differ in experience and function, they are governed by the same biological systems. The process begins in the brain. When stimulation occurs, the brain activates regions responsible for emotional processing and reward. At the same time, chemical messengers such as dopamine and oxytocin are released. These chemicals play a central role in motivation, focus, and physiological readiness. From the brain, signals travel downward through the spinal cord to the pelvic nerves. This neural communication prepares the body for a coordinated physical response. Blood vessels respond by adjusting circulation, and muscles throughout the body begin to increase their tone. These signals are automatic and involuntary, controlled by the autonomic nervous system rather than conscious thought. This explains why the response can occur without deliberate control. In females, increased blood flow is directed toward the pelvic organs. Arteries supplying the uterus and surrounding tissues gently widen, allowing more blood to enter the area. This increased circulation causes tissue swelling and heightened sensitivity. As stimulation continues, pelvic floor muscles become increasingly active. Female orgasm involves rhythmic contractions of these pelvic muscles and the uterus. The intensity and duration of these contractions vary from person to person and may change from one experience to another. In males, increased blood flow fills specialized vascular tissues within the pelvic region. At the same time, internal muscular structures prepare for a coordinated reflex. Male orgasm occurs as a sequence of muscular contractions involving multiple reproductive organs. These contractions move reproductive fluid through internal pathways. Following this response, the male nervous system enters a temporary refractory phase. During this period, the body requires time before responding again. This recovery phase increases with age and varies between individuals. During orgasm in both females and males, the brain releases additional hormones such as endorphins and prolactin. These substances promote relaxation, emotional bonding, and a sense of calm. After the peak response, the body gradually returns to a resting state. Heart rate slows, muscle tension decreases, and breathing becomes steady. It is important to understand that orgasm is highly variable. Hormonal balance, nerve function, circulation, stress, medications, and overall health all influence this process. Difficulty reaching orgasm is often linked to medical or neurological factors, rather than personal or emotional failure. Orgasm is a brain-controlled physiological process shaped by human anatomy and biology.
Fibroids
Health
are not cancer.
3D.
With proper medical
Learn
care,
health
they
from
can
the
be
inside.
effectively managed.